everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode of Wellness Wednesday, but I am in my kitchen for this because we are going to do a little DIY dishwasher tabs recipe. I love making DIYs with all of my essential oils and all those things, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to make some of your own dishwasher tabs. Young Living does sell their own dishwasher powder, but it is currently out of stock. So I am in need of making my own. So we're pivoting over to doing it the old-fashioned way and using some all-natural ingredients to make our own dishwasher tabs. Before we start, I also want to tell you where I got this recipe from. This is the Game Plan Script Book Workbook by Sarah Harnish. She is a leader in Young Living. So I am going through this workbook. It has 25 different classes in it, a lot of recipes, and just great information. So I will be referencing this book a lot more in the future. First ingredient we're going to add is a cup of washing soda, a fourth of a cup of Himalayan salt. I got this at Sam's Club. And a half cup of citric acid. Give that a good stir. And once that's all mixed in, I am going to add 30 drops of lemon oil. Great for degreasing and getting any residue off of your dishes. Just kind of eyeballing here. One stir around. To help this to all combine together, I'm actually going to do some spritzes here of my Thieves household cleaner. We use this to clean everything in our house. I was using just a capful of this in our dishwasher previously, but I wanted to give this recipe a try. But the trick is to do this slowly so that you don't activate the citric acid in here. Done with these. I forgot to mention that I did get this silicone container at Michael's. You can get it at any craft store, Amazon. So now I will have all of these to add into my dishwasher. I only need one per load. And now that my girls are older now, they are unloading and loading up the dishwasher. So this is safe for them to use. No sulfates, no artificial colors, fragrance, all of that stuff. This is all natural ingredients that is safe to use and safe to ingest essentially, because when you're washing your dishes, you are eating off of it. So the things that you're using to clean your dishes with gets on your food from your dishes. So I am confident and happy that I have this alternative to use. I will post the recipe in the description box and let this sit in here in the molds for about 18 hours. And then I can put it in an airtight container to use in the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell if you would like to see more videos like this about how to switch over to plant-based products. That will be the theme of my videos the month of April.